Welcome to question of the day, day 5. Today we have an interesting question with osmotic pressure. Let's get into it. A solution containing 0.833 grams of a polymer of an unknown structure in 170 milliliters of an organic solvent was found to have an osmotic pressure of 5.2 millimeters of mercury at 25 degrees Celsius. Determine the molar mass of the polymer. Now here we have the first slight problem because the units aren't in Pascal. And we know that every time we work this question, we need to use the units in Pascal because our value, our constant is with Pascals. So to change that, you write 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury, which is also 101,325 pascals. 5.2 millimeters of mercury equals how much? And this becomes 693.27 pascals. I don't actually need the 1 atmosphere, but I normally write it, at least initially, to show how I'm doing the conversion. Once I know that, so that is the pressure, I also know the volume, because the volume is 170.0 milliliters. To change milliliters, so milliliters is a centimeter cubed, into meters cubed, it is times 10 to the minus 6 meters cubed. And the temperature is equal to 25, but I need it in Kelvin, so it is 25 plus 273, so it will be 298 Kelvin. Okay, once this is done, all we have to do is to actually go through and use PV equals nRT. I can immediately write that N is equal to PV over RT, which will be equal to 693.27 times 170 times 10 to the minus 6 divided by 8.314 times 298. When we do this, we're going to find that it is going to be 0.0000473 moles, so, or 4.753 times 10 to the minus 5 moles. I love standard form. And the last part would be to find the RMM, where it's going to be 4.753 times 10 to the minus 5 mole is equal to 0.8330 grams. 1 mole equals how much? And this becomes 17525 grams per mole. So our final answer for today is 17,525 grams per mole, which is very common standard for polymers. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to send me your questions if you have any questions, and I will answer them in the coming days. You can either send them in comments or follow the links in the description. Have a good day. I will see you all for tomorrow's question of the day. And take care and stay safe.